gun nuts. Just wanted to come holler at y'all today, kick it with you, let you know about a new product that I got a hold of. It's actually not new. I've had it for about a year or so, been testing it out, wearing it every day just to see how I feel about it. So what I have here, as you can see, is made in the USA. These people in America having jobs, which is cool. This is from Vedder Holsters. All right, hopefully I'll have an affiliate link down below for them. So this is what their packaging comes like. That's pretty cool, right? American flag on there. Now in here I have the Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS FS holster with the Valkyrie PL Mini 2 by OLight attached on the firearm. And also comes with, or actually I ordered oh, that's a nice little sack, right? A little satchel. Throw some rounds in there for the range. You know, use as a spare little range bag for bullets. Instruction manual, you know how we do with those. File 13. Back in the case there, back in the packaging. Pretty cool little sticker. I'm gonna try to find something to stick that on. Oh, my little safe, that'll go in there. Thanks, Vedder. Appreciate you guys. All right, so with this firearm holster, I bought this mag carrier. So I want to show you what that looks like with the Glock 19 Gen 5 factory mag. Carries in there like such. As you can see, it's well molded. Very good material. I like the belt clip because it's non-reflective. If you're across the room, you're not going to reflect off some light or, you know, attract a lot of attention to your waistline with that reflective material, and it'll scream gun to somebody. Plus, I like the way they have them scalloped to reduce weight and also reduce appearance when they're on your belt. I like that. Now I carry typically my mag in the appendix position. Sometimes the firearm there, the light attachment is a little bit much for me on my leg when I have to sit down a lot. But if I'm standing for a long bit of time, or quite a bit of time, I should say, I'll wear that in appendix and carry the spare magazine. Now what I am carrying these days is the P-Mags. I did a video on that. You can check the link out for that. I did a P-Mag video for the Glock 19 15 rounder. And as you can see, it fits in there no problem. Now it is a little bit more snug, so I may just have to adjust the retention. That is the retention screw right there. It tightens it and loosens it for you. So if I do that, loosen that up a little bit, that'll be just fine. I keep it canted at an angle. Slightly backwards. It's a little bit more efficient for me when I go to draw it out, and then it leaves room for my gut to hang through. As you can see, it is tuckable, so if you have to tuck your shirt in over this, you have no problem doing that and doing it quickly, and then removing your shirt quickly and getting to your spare magazine, your backup. So that came with Vedder. So this is the Glock 19. Hold on. All right. There we go. You're good. All right. So the Glock 19 in the holster. That's what she looks like. She looks good, right? I had it made cut low because I do plan on putting an RMR on this gun. So they cut it low here for me, and they cut the slide cover a little lower there for me also, which is something I asked for on the design of the holster when I ordered it. They do have it in their stock options for holsters on their website, so check them out. Back to the news. Now, the retention point is here. So if you do not have the light on the gun, the holster will pretty much be useless to you. Okay, you have to have that light on the gun because it is made to retain right there on the light when it's inside the gun. So you can see where it'll sit and put pressure on the gun or on the light and keep the light and the gun inside the holster. So that again, ladies and gentlemen, is the Vedder holster for the Glock 19 Gen 5 with a OLight Valkyrie PL Mini 2 light attached. This particular setup right here is what this holster is set up for. It is very comfortable, wearing it in an appendix. I also wear it in the 3 o'clock position, which I carry a lot more because I've put on a little bit of weight since the thingamabobber started, and I figured, you know, if I carry at 3 o'clock, this is very comfortable to carry. Covers you all the way on this side against the gun touching your side, and then it's low cut here, easy holstering. There we go. And you can see the spacing here, so you can tuck this in. It's also got those same scalloped out cuts, and the clips on these holsters is very robust and strong. I really like these clips. So very good job, Vedder. And on both the holster and the magazine carrier, magazine holster, whatever you want to call it, both of these have a retention and an adjustment screw. So you can cant this bad boy forward, backward, whatever's comfortable for you and whatever position you carry in. So definitely, if you have this setup, if you have almost any other setup on a firearm or just the firearm itself without a light, get you a Vedder, man. Help Vedder out. Help yourself out. Everybody wins, man. Everybody wins. All right, gun nuts. God bless you. Happy shooting.